Hi, we have a set of mug mats that have dimensional butterflies on them, and I'm going to show you the butterfly portion of that mug mat so you can see how easy it is to do. And I have already made the little wings. There's a separate file for doing the dimensional wing, and you do that first because they're put on during the process of stitching the mug mat. And this is just a portion of this mug mat right here that I'm going to do the butterfly part to show you how easy it is. Now the wings on the mug mat itself, the lower wings have already been stitched down, and then the part that is the dimension, which was a separate hooping. Typically I would wash the stabilizer away from it, but I've left it on just to get a little more sturdiness. But there is a stitch that goes down that is a placement line that shows you where to put this butterfly wings, and you just put the butterfly wings right on top here. And if you like, which I usually do, I usually use some of this fabric glue stick. Just put a little bit on that placement line here, and then lay the center of those wings right on top of that. Basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be placing it like this on the mug mat. Then take it to the machine, and the machine is going to stitch going down across that center, and then come back with the rest of the body of the butterfly to hold that down. And I'm going to take that to the machine, and I'm going to attempt to turn my camera. So here I am at the machine. I have put my hoop back in the machine, and I'm going to tack down that butterfly. Alright, at this point the butterfly is tacked down. You don't have to hold it anymore. But now it's going to put the body on. It's going to stitch the body, and that's going to permanently hold the butterfly down. The butterfly wings. Of course, what else is a butterfly except wings? Now, your butterfly now its wings, you can move them around and fix them in any position. And this being a wash-away stabilizer, when you rinse this wing off, that wash-away that is left in the wing will act as a kind of a glue, and so you can position these wings as you like. The other thing you want to do is to, when you're doing your wing, is to change your bobbin thread as it's doing the satin stitch that goes over the edge. This will be like the very last stitch of your wing, because these are going to show, because they're going to be standing up.